Well, a day off today then, my dear.
Yeah, it is. A day away from the cottage.
Well, yeah, I like a day off.
We're only going over there.
I know, but it's just a change of scenery.
Yeah. So I'm going to be, well, we're both going to be working on the door that goes into the cellar, aren't we?
Yeah, well, it's the only thing really that hasn't been looked at on the whole frontage now.
Well, it
so.
wasn't intentional neither. It was just me and Terry walked past and thought, oh,
Yeah.
we could do with fixing that. Since everything else is getting done, it would be a shame not to do that. So
Yeah, well, door will come off. Yeah, door will come off first, and then we'll have a look at the frame because that wants a little bit of repair.
Yeah. Well, it is a shame. I mean, all the rest of it's going to look lovely, so we may as well do that as well.
Yeah. Well, we'll go and see how bad it really is.
Okay, let's go and see.
So we've just had a package arrive. Now the reason we have this package arrive is a few days ago the gendarmes came to see us about our security, making sure that everything's in place and we're keeping things locked up. Reason being is there has been some break-ins in local chateaus recently, so they just want to make sure we were okay. So what we've done is we've partnered with eufyCam. Now these, they're absolutely brilliant. Looking at them, it's a solar powered camera, so we don't need power leads, which you'd think would be a bit of a nightmare to get to our gates. It's powered by the Wi-Fi and it has so many brilliant features. We can go into them later on once we get them up and have a look at it, but I really want to get inside the box, see what it looks like and see what I've got to do to get it installed. So here we are with my new eufyCam cameras that we're going to be installing. Now, being in the middle of the countryside, we didn't think about security or anything like that. The gendarmes have opened our eyes to what actually goes on, and we just thought this would be a bit of added protection, and it just gives us that bit of peace of mind. So many good things about these cameras. They're a full 4K vision, day and night, and in full colour. They're solar powered. They also have a spotlight for in the middle of the night as well, so if you see people arriving that shouldn't be here or creeping up, you can stick the spotlight on and give them a bit of a scare. It's got two-way voice recording, so you can talk to people through them and that, so again it saves us running up and down 3 flights of stairs if it's just something daft or if it's a cold call that we're not interested in or anything like that. So no, they're just a really good camera. Now I'm so excited to see inside because they do look, it feels like a really solid piece of kit. So we have two of the cameras. Now they feel like a really solid piece of kit. Again, with solar panels on top, so they'll stay powered all year round as long as they're getting some ambient light. Now we have the little hub. Now we connect this to our Wi-Fi, and what that'll allow us to do is to be able to connect it through our phones, and we'll be able to see who's coming and going. It's got the face recognition, the number plate recognition. Really, really good piece of kit. So I'm looking forward to getting these installed. I'm going to go and give it a go. Should be fun. So first camera we're going to put up on top of the gates at the front, which will look straight down the new road and show anyone coming up from this way. Ideal placement for it. We've checked it, it works here, really good signal, we can see everything it needs to do. So easy, literally 2 screws and it's on. So I'm going to bash that on and see how we get on. Right, that's the second camera installed. It's literally took me 10-15 minutes to install the whole set, download the app on my phone, update everything I needed to. So easy and quick and easy to use. So what we've installed today is the S330 eufyCam set that comes with 2 solar powered cameras and the hub itself. It's all connected to my app already. It's got super technology in that it recognises people's faces, it recognises number plates, so when we know people are coming and going. My favourite thing though is the home base. The home base 3 can insert a hard disk drive, a solid state drive up to 16 terabytes. That'll last you years worth of filming. Absolutely brilliant. There'll be a link in the description, so if you want a bit of peace of mind and that bit of added security, check them out. They are absolutely brilliant.
Right, Tony's finished all the frame on the door now. It looks fantastic. He's just put another joint in here because there was nothing at all down here. So he's fitted all that in and it looks absolutely brilliant. So all I need to do now, I've sanded it all off. I just need to put some filler in now and make it all complete. Then a couple of undercoats and then a proper coat of paint. So it's going to look smashing.
Well, today's job is to try and finish off the repairs to this door. This is the door down into the cellar in the chateau, and the bottom corner was pretty well just sort of worn and ready to fall off really. So I've done a little repair to it, and hopefully that's all nice and tidy now. So the next thing to do is to take the straps off, make sure it's set and fixed okay, and then hopefully a little bit of planing to get it somewhere near straight, and leave it to somebody else who knows what they're doing to finish and hopefully get it back on, and you'll never notice it's been played about with. So let's see how it goes. Hopefully it'll be alright.
So we have family over. It's always a good help.
Yep, do.
Oh, yeah.
And Mum's sister's wanting to tackle the railings on the front of the tower now, isn't she?
Yeah, not all of them.
No.
Well, yes, because they're not
Okay.
right up the top. Yeah.
It'd be a good job done, but it does mean that we've got another job to do before.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Spread.
I think the job before getting the railings done is bigger than the job of getting the railings
Yeah.
done.
Getting
It
the
will be,
scaffolding.
yeah.
Yeah, so we need to get all the scaffolding out, get it up at the front of the tower so we can get to the railings, get them sanded down, get them painted, and then obviously with you tackling the door as well,
Yeah.
hopefully the whole front of the tower will just...
Yeah, it's good for you as well because you can get the windows done from the outside as well, can't you? What you need to. So,
Any framework,
Yeah.
any framework, you'll be able to have that security of when you're hanging off the ledge trying to patch it. There'll be something there to fall onto.
Yeah, me and you just cringed, don't we?
yeah, but it's a bit windy, so that's going to be a bit of a challenge as well. So
Yeah.
we'll see.
But we'll get it out now, get
Yeah.
it all sorted.
Come on then, let's go.
Come on then.
Well, that wasn't as bad as it could have been, but it was bad enough.
Yeah, it was. It was a bit scary at the top.
Well, especially when it's a little bit blowy like this.
Yeah. It was scary for us watching, wasn't
Yeah,
it?
you're not getting me up there.
So a couple of bits where I just froze and Tony had to come and rescue me down.
It's fine now because it's all. We've actually tied it into one of the low windows, and we've got some braces down, so
Yeah.
it'll be fine.
And we have harnesses and that.
Yeah.
So when we're up there, it'll be safe working.
Yeah, Paula's going to enjoy it. I think she doesn't like heights, but I think this will cure her.
Yeah. She's done abseiling before, hasn't she? So she'll be fine.
Well, that was a challenge, but yeah. She might be abseiling off these if I take the ladders away.
Yeah.
Right.
I've never heard her swear before.
No.
You will now. But
Yeah.
yeah, it's a brilliant job, all up, ready to go.
Yeah, so.
Yeah.
Fantastic.
Can't wait until we're done and then make sure you're all finished.
Yeah, it's going to look gleaming, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Come on then, let's get started.
Yes.
Come on then.
Back up.
That's another good week. More good jobs done.
Yeah, a lot of good ones.
Ticking a few off the list now.
Yeah, looks absolutely fantastic to get the door in place.
Yeah.
And obviously fantastic job from my auntie getting the railings done as well.
I know. Climbing up
Right.
that scaffolding was a bit scary.
Thank
Yeah.
you, Paula. You're braver than me.
Taking it down was a bit wobbly as well at times.
Yeah, we didn't obviously get any footage of the painting, the railings being painted, because you couldn't really see anything because the scaffolding
She was too
was up.
scared anyway. She's like,
Yeah.
don't put me on camera.
She had enough problems holding onto the railings to paint, so
But it looks absolutely amazing now,
It
doesn't
is,
it?
yeah. It's just brought it all back to life, all the front. Even the front looks so clean now, doesn't it? You know.
Not that coming up to it was always just
Yeah.
a big hole.
Yeah.
It was rotten, absolutely rotten.
So to see it, it's nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was always better to keep it open than closed because
Yeah.
it
It
looked
looked worse.
It looked worse when it was
It's closed,
closed.
yeah.
Yeah,
But it's superb. It looks just a couple of more little bits to finish on it. About 2 days more work
yeah, and it's all
to
done.
get it finished. But
Terry just needs to find a lock from one of the local bricants. I'm sure Serge will have one somewhere.
Yeah,
Yeah.
a nice little old lock.
Yeah.
You've got us moving on to some little jobs again, haven't you, Trace?
Well, the weather's changed, so go on, my dear.
there's the road needs finishing, I'm afraid, boys.
Just the road.
And we wondered where he got it from.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's
Just
in
a
his
few
jeans.
more stones to move, and then there'll be how many
You
tons?
said just a few more. That's about 40 tonne of stones to move.
Yeah, and
And
then
then
100 tonne to lay down.
100 tonne of tubing all coming.
It won't take long.
And then we can put the little banner on, and Mum can cut
the
it
ribbon.
to Route de Tracy Lafay.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll have to see if we can actually
We'll
name
see.
it that
We'll
route.
have to see if we can get a little nameplate made up, a road sign.
See if the mayor will register it as that for us.
Yeah, definitely.
But stop wasting time talking,
Yeah.
and let's get going doing some work.
Come on then.
Yeah.
Plenty to do.
Well, thank you
We'll
so
see.
much for watching, and we'll see you on Sunday.
Sunday.
Yes.
Yep, we will.
Yeah, another
See you
busy
Sunday,
week.
guys.
Another good day.
Bye.
Bye. If you'd like to join us on our family journey, bringing back this once forgotten chateau, then please join us on Patreon for behind the scenes footage, updates, live chats, and your very own piece of the chateau.